Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Happy Birthday on the harmonium. We will begin by identifying the fundamental notes needed for this cheerful tune. Next, we'll explore effective finger placement to ensure your playing is both fluid and comfortable. Finally, we'll discuss how to practice the melody at a slow pace, helping you develop precise accuracy and a steady rhythm. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Let's break down the melody of Happy Birthday. We'll focus on the key of C major, which is excellent for beginners. The first line starts with 2 Gs, then A, G, C, and B. The second line is similar, beginning with 2 Gs, then A, G, D, and C. For the third line, play 2 Gs, a higher G, E, C, B, and A. The final line concludes with 2 Fs, E, C, D, and C. Practice these phrases individually. Now, let's talk about finger techniques and effective practice. For lower notes, generally use your thumb, and for higher notes, your pinky finger. Keep your hand relaxed to avoid any tension or fatigue during longer playing sessions. It's crucial to practice each musical phrase individually until it feels natural. Once comfortable, gradually combine them. Repeating challenging sections 10 to 15 times can significantly improve your muscle memory and overall performance. To make your performance truly special, let's add some expression. Try varying the volume slightly, perhaps playing a little softer or louder on certain notes to add musicality. Maintaining a steady tempo throughout the entire song is also key for a polished sound. Practice the full piece repeatedly until it flows naturally and confidently. Finally, share your talent by performing for friends and family. It's a wonderful way to build your confidence and spread joy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.